Fixing black screen after updating graphics drivers. Hold down the power button for about 10 seconds to shut down your computer. Press and hold the power button to boot up your computer. Press and hold the power button immediately, when you see the startup logo, to force it to shut down again. Press and hold the power button again to boot up your computer. Press and hold the power button immediately, when you see the startup logo, to shut down your computer third time. Press the power button to boot up your PC and allow it to boot into WinRAR. Click Troubleshoot. Click Advanced Options. Click Startup Settings. Click Restart. Press the F4 key to select Safe Mode. Click Windows Start button. Type Device Manager in search bar. Click Manager Device Manager. Click the bracket next to Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics drivers. Click Uninstall Device. Check. Delete the driver software for this device, and click Uninstall. Restart your computer. Your PC should be able to boot into Windows like normal.